Why Thai restaurants abroad always taste different, the secret ingredient. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel where we explore the delicious world of food. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on the minds of Thai food lovers everywhere. Why do Thai restaurants abroad always seem to taste different? Well, we're here to uncover the secret ingredient that makes all the difference. Why Thai restaurants abroad taste different. When you think of Thai food, you might imagine the delicious dishes you've tried at your local Thai restaurant. But for many, the experience of eating Thai food abroad is often a disappointment. The flavors just don't seem to match up. So, what's the deal? The secret ingredient? Well, the truth is, it all comes down to one secret ingredient: access to fresh ingredients. Thai cuisine is known for its bold, complex flavors, but those flavors rely heavily on the freshness of the ingredients. So, when Thai restaurants abroad try to recreate those dishes, they often have to use substitute ingredients that just don't measure up. The importance of fresh ingredients. Fresh ingredients like lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and Thai basil are essential to creating the authentic flavors of Thai cuisine. But these ingredients can be difficult to find outside of Thailand. So, when Thai restaurants abroad try to recreate these dishes, they often have to settle for dried or canned versions of these ingredients, which just don't deliver the same bold flavors. The solution. So, what's the solution? Well, for Thai restaurants abroad, it all comes down to sourcing fresh ingredients. This can be a challenge, but for those who are willing to put in the effort, it's worth it. Not only does it create a more authentic experience for customers, but it also helps to preserve the integrity of Thai cuisine. And there you have it, folks. The secret ingredient behind why Thai restaurants abroad always seem to taste different. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you have any other food-related questions, let us know in the comments below.